Dear student, good morning to everyone. In previous period, we discussed about coordinate geometry by distance formula we use in previous period. Today we will discuss about coordinate geometry with the help of distance formula. We discuss about different concept. Let us start. Yes, in previous period we discuss about example. Next example. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from a minus 3 4 and b 1 minus 4. फाइंड द पॉइंट. बिंदू शोधा म्हणलेला आहे ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. जो पॉइंट एक्स एक्सिस वर आहे. गिवन पॉइंट इज ऑन एक्स एक्सिस विच इज इक्वायडिस्टंट फ्रॉम ए एंड बी. Suppose this is x axis and this is y axis. Then A lies in which quadrant? This is first quadrant, second, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Anyone can give answer. Point A lies on which quadrant? Here 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here positive 1, 2, 3. Here negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Tell here point A lies in. Yes, correct. Second quadrant. Point A lies in second quadrant. Minus 3 and 4. Suppose here 4 means here point A. And point B lies in which quadrant? Tell here. Yes, correct. Fourth quadrant. 1 and minus 4. Minus 4 suppose here. Point B in fourth quadrant. And that two points are equidistant from one point which is on x axis. जो x axis वर पॉइंट आहे. सपोज आता इथं कुठेही घेऊ शकता तुम्ही. या साईडला आपण घेतलं. हियर सपोज पॉइंट C. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट C इज टेल हियर. काय कोऑर्डिनेट असतील? एस. Suppose here 0, 1, 2. Then here tell coordinate of that point. Point M suppose. Tell here coordinate of point M. point M on x-axis, then coordinate of point M is x coordinate is, tell here. First is x coordinate and second is y coordinate. x coordinate काय आहे M पॉइंटचा? Yes, correct. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 0. Here x coordinate is, we can get x, suppose, because that x coordinate is positive or negative, and y coordinate is पॉइंट सी जर एक्स ऍक्सिस वर असेल तर त्याचा y कोऑर्डिनेट काय असतो? 0 असतो. एक्स ऍक्सिस वर असणाऱ्या पॉइंटचा y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 असतो आणि y कोऑर्डिनेट वर y ऍक्सिस वर असणाऱ्या पॉइंटचा कोणता कोऑर्डिनेट 0 असतो? एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट. करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट. लेट point C, its coordinate is x0 on x-axis, which is equidistant from point A and B. हा जो पॉइंट आहे इक्वायडिस्टंट म्हणजे काय? समान अंतरावर आहे फ्रॉम ए एंड बी. देअरफॉर पॉइंट सी जो आहे तो इक्वल डिस्टन्सवर आहे फ्रॉम ए एंड बी. मीन्स विच डिस्टन्स इज सिमिलर? Tell here, which distance is similar? Point C is equidistant from A and B. Means which distance is similar? C जो आहे तो इक्वल डिस्टन्सवर आहे फ्रॉम A and C. A आणि B पासून इक्वल डिस्टन्सवर C आहे. ए आणि बी पासून इक्वल डिस्टन्सवर आहे म्हणजे इथून इथपर्यंत डिस्टन्स आणि इथून इथपर्यंत डिस्टन्स हे इक्वल असणार आहे. मीन्स ए टू सी डिस्टन्स ए सी and distance B to C are equal. Point C is equidistant from A and B. A आणि B पासून हा समान अंतरावर आहे म्हणजे AC अंतर आणि BC अंतर सारखं असणार आहे. Then we can use distance formula. This is equation 1. Then A point is, इथं डायरेक्ट जरी लिहिलं तरी चालतं. Tell here, use distance formula. In square root A आणि C घ्यायचे आहेत. A point is -3,4. Point A is -3,4. Point B is 1 -4. And point C we consider x0. A and C consider. Suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Then what is the formula? x2 minus x1 means x coordinate ची difference. Suppose x2 is x minus x1 is -3 and bracket square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 4 in bracket square is equal to, here also we can use distance formula, b and c, x1 y1 x2 y2, x2 minus x1 means x minus 1 bracket square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is minus 4, we write in bracket square, and reason is by distance formula we can write that answer. Therefore, in square root, tell here x, what is the answer? X we write here, and minus minus it becomes plus 3 bracket square plus 0 minus 4 bracket square. 0 minus 4, what we get? 0 minus 4. Tell here subtraction, what we get? What we get subtraction? Subtraction is minus 4 bracket square is equal to, in square root, x minus 1 bracket square remaining plus 0 minus minus 4 means 0 minus 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 plus 4 bracket square. Then remove square root by which method? रूट रिमूव्ह करायचं असेल तर काय कराल? रूटच रिमूव्ह करायचा आहे, परत स्क्वेअर रूट घेता येत नाही. येस करेक्ट. स्क्वेअरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स, रूट remove x plus 3 bracket square plus minus 4 square minus 4 square is 16 is equal to x minus 1 bracket square plus 0 plus 4, we get 4 and square. Then use formula, expansion formula. First term square means x square plus multiplication and twice. यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन किती येतं? 3x येतं आणि त्याची ट्वाइस 6x प्लस सेकंड टर्म स्क्वेअर 3 square. Tell here 3 square. Yes, correct. And plus 16 is equal to, here also expansion formula we can use here. First term square x square minus sign we write here, multiplication and twice, what we get? Multiplication is x and its twice is twice x plus second term square, second term minus 1 square 1 plus 4 square, 4 square is 16. Yes. Then which terms are cancelled on both sides? Here by squaring. x square, correct, x square term cancel, and another term also cancel. Which term? आणखी कोणती टर्म कॅन्सल होईल? +16 cancel. Then 6x plus 9 is equal to minus twice x plus 1. Then 6x minus twice x taken on LHS side. It becomes, tell here, minus twice x taken on LHS side, it becomes plus twice x. 1 plus 9 taken on RHS side, it becomes, sign changes, minus 9. Then tell here addition. Addition is 8x. And tell here subtraction. Subtraction is minus 8, larger number sign we write here. Therefore x is equal to what we write? Minus 8, 8 multiply, take on RHS side, it becomes divide. 8, 1 is 8. X is equal to minus 1. Therefore, point C, x0 we consider here. Point C, its coordinate x and 0. That is, value of x is minus 1, 0. That is the answer. Practice set 5.1, that is example number 3 we discuss here. Then tell here, this figure is called as segment, and point C divides segment in which ratio? Point C divides segment AB in ratio 2:4. Ratio is 2:6. Division of segment means AC divided by CB is equal to what we write? AC is 2. 2:6 means 2/6. Then y-axis, and here suppose x-axis, and here we take segment AB. Segment AB, coordinate of A is x1, y1, and coordinate of B is x2, y2. Then x-axis y-axis. Tell here x coordinate. Here we draw perpendicular AD, and here x coordinate tell here S. इथं x coordinate किती असेल? पॉइंट ए चा जो x coordinate असेल तो इथं असेल. किती असेल? ए चा x coordinate x1 आहे. Means x1. Here we draw perpendicular DE. Tell here x coordinate. What is the x coordinate? X coordinate of point B काय आहे तो इथं असेल. That is x2. And suppose point C, its coordinate xy on segment AB, then we draw perpendicular. Tell here x coordinate of point C is x, and point C divides segment AB in the ratio m is to n. Point C xy divides segment AB in the ratio m is to n. Then distance DF is equal to, anyone can give answer? Distance DF is larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Which is the larger coordinate? Yes. या दोन्हीपैकी लार्जर कोऑर्डिनेट कोणता असेल? राइट साइड्स कोऑर्डिनेट इज लार्जर. दॅट इज एक्स ऍक्सिस वर जो राईटला कोऑर्डिनेट असतो, उजवीकडील निर्देशक हे मोठे असतात. एक्स इज लार्जर मायनस स्मॉलर कोऑर्डिनेट इज x1. Then distance FE then tell here which coordinate is larger. Larger minus smaller. F, its coordinate is x, its value, and here x2. Then which coordinate is larger? Right side's coordinate is larger, means x2 is larger minus smaller is left side x. Then point C divides segment AB in the ratio m is to n, means AC divided by CB is equal to what we write? AC divided by CB is equal to what we write? AC is M divided by CB is N. Then AD is perpendicular on x-axis. Then CF also perpendicular on x-axis, and BE also perpendicular on x-axis, and therefore three segments are perpendicular on same axis. These three segments are perpendicular on same axis. Therefore, three segments are which type? Three segments are एखाद्या रेषेवर तीन रेषाखंड लंब असतील तर ते परस्परांना कसे असतील? Three segments are parallel to each other, means segment AD parallel segment CF parallel segment BE. AD, CF and BE are parallel, means these three lines are parallel, and first transversal is AB and second transversal is DE. Then therefore by which theorem or property we can use here? By property of three parallel lines and their transversal. By property of three parallel lines and their transversal. By that property, what we write in chapter first? पहिल्या चॅप्टर मध्ये प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ थ्री पॅरलल लाईन बघितलेली आहे, किंवा 9वीलाही झालेला आहे. रेशो ऑफ intercept made on first transversal means AC divided by CB is equal to, here also we get intercept made on another transversal and their ratio means DF divided by FE. एका छेदिकेवरील आंतरछेदांचे गुणोत्तर हे दुसऱ्या छेदिकेवरील आंतरछेदांच्या गुणोत्तरा एवढे असते. S AC upon CB, its value is AC upon CB, its value is, tell here. AC upon CB ची व्हॅल्यू M upon N आहे, is equal to, tell here, DF डिस्टन्स DF ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? डिस्टन्स DF शोधलंय बघा अगोदर. डिस्टन्स DF इथं शोधलेला आहे. इट्स व्हॅल्यू इज x मायनस x1 डिवायडेड बाय FE डिस्टन्स, हे देखील शोधलेलं आहे इथं. डिस्टन्स FE इज x2 minus x1, x2 minus x. Therefore, what is the next step? Cross multiplication. This is the section formula we discuss here. हा सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला आहे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. m into bracket x2 minus x is equal to this cross multiplication, n into bracket x minus x1. Then m multiply here, m x2 minus m multiply to second term also, that is mx is equal to n multiply to both term. What we get? Tell here. N multiply to first term, that is nx, minus n multiply to second term, that is nx1. Therefore, which are the like terms? X are the like terms. This nx and minus mx taking on RHS side, it becomes plus mx, and this is plus n, plus nx. Then mx2 minus nx1 taking on LHS side, it becomes plus nx1. mx2 plus nx1 is equal to, take common. What we take common? काय कॉमन काढू शकता? येस, कॉमन सांगता येत नाही का तुम्हाला? Yes, correct. X we take common. Then what we write here in bracket? Yes, correct. M plus n. X is equal to what we write? This bracket taking on LHS side. mx2 plus nx1. हा जो ब्रॅकेट आहे तो LHS साइडला घ्या. This bracket multiply here, taking on LHS side, it becomes divide m plus n, that is x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. हा c चा x कोऑर्डिनेट झाला. y कोऑर्डिनेट काढण्यासाठी परत y ऍक्सिस वर इथून लंब काढायचे. हे इथून असे y ऍक्सिस वर लंब काढायचे आणि हे जसं आपण घेतलंय तसंच इथं घ्यायचं आहे. परत हे असं सोडवण्याऐवजी डायरेक्ट आपण y कोऑर्डिनेट लिहू शकतो. सिमिलरली we can prove that y is equal to काय येईल सांगा? y is equal to असंच मिळणार आहे. x होतं, इथं x2 आलं, इथं x1 आलं आणि m n हे आहे असंच. इथं काय येणार? y आहे म्हणल्यानंतर m x2 च्या जागी इथं काय येईल? y2 येईल. बरोबर आहे. प्लस n x1 होतं, इथं y आहे म्हणल्यानंतर y1 येईल and divided by m plus n आहे असंच. And this is called as section formula. Then next, here A and B. A is x1, y1, B coordinate is x2, y2. And point C is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint means if C is the midpoint of segment AB, point C, its coordinate is xy, is the midpoint of segment AB, its coordinate is xy. Means what we say about that two parts. Yes, C is the midpoint means these two parts are, first part AC and second part is CB. Both parts are, हे दोन्ही भाग कसे असतील? Yes, correct, equal. Then AC divided by CB, what we get? दोन्ही इक्वल आहेत, त्यांचा रेशो घेतला तर काय मिळेल? दोन्ही सारखे आहेत, भागाकार काय येईल? सारखे म्हणजे असे आहे 5 भागिले 5 असं, 5 एके 5, 5 एके 5, म्हणजे 1 divided by 1 means 1:1. Then by section formula, what we write? X is equal to, this is M, this is N, this is M, this is N. आता आपण सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला पाहिलेला आहे, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, and y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. X is equal to, tell here value of m ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? एस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ m काय आहे सांगा? व्हॅल्यू ऑफ m इज 1 इंटू x2 आहे असंच इथं येईल, हे x2 प्लस व्हॅल्यू ऑफ n किती येईल? व्हॅल्यू ऑफ n 1 अगदी करेक्ट आहे, इंटू x1 डिवायडेड बाय m च्या जागी किती लिहायचं आणि n च्या जागी m आणि n. 1 plus 1, good. X is equal to x2 plus x1, x2 plus x1, 1 ने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर x2 येईल, इथं 1 ने मल्टिप्लाय केले की x1 येईल, आणि डिवायडेड बाय 2, that is x is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Here y is equal to value of m 1 y2 plus value of n 1 y1 divided by m plus n means 1 plus 1. Y is equal to 1 y2 means y2 plus 1 y1 means y1 and divided by 2. Y is equal to y2 plus y1 means y1 plus y2 and divided by 2, and this is called as midpoint formula. midpoint formula मध्ये x1 plus x2 divided by 2 येतं आणि y1 plus y2 divided by 2 येतं. You understand that concepts? लक्षात येते का? Okay. Dear student, today we will discuss about section formula and midpoint formula with the help of distance formula. You understand that examples? Then remaining part we see in next period. Thank you.